Hey, this is Travis, and I'm back with another video in this 30-day challenge, which, thanks for the feedback. Everybody who left feedback, let me know you're enjoying these videos. I'm enjoying recording them, even though today you almost didn't get a video because I literally spaced it out. I was like, how can I forget to record a video? I've been showing up consistently for 15 days. I was packing up to go home, and then I was like, oh my gosh, I didn't even record or even release a video today. So today is a special treat. You're gonna watch me go through my routine. I'm actually going to just go through some stocks and you'll see how I evaluate my stock charts. I can't promise I will find any, but at least you'll see how I sift through stocks and pick my trades, like the trades we covered a few days ago. PayPal here, I got in on this monthly trade triangle right here. Google, I got in on this weekly, and then CMG, and they're all up. I got it on the monthly here. So they're all profitable. So you'll see how I find trades like that. Now, of course, standard disclaimers, everything I'm sharing is for educational, informational purposes only. God forbid you learn from somebody like me who won the U.S. Investing Championship. I'm not licensed. So, according to the Securities and Exchange Commission and all the experts, because I don't have credentials after my name, I'm unqualified to give you investment advice. Anyway, let's get to the charts. All right, so for speed of implementation, I use Market Club, the software I use, and I just click my top option scan here. This is a benefit of people who have their Market Club options program, which I help create. This sifts through and only gives us institutional quality stocks that we can trade options on. I've already shown this in another video that this software last year, just one trade alone, I earned $2,000+ on Apple, 400-something% return on my money, and you can see the price of it here just for a yearly membership. So people are always in sticker shock, and it's like a poverty working class mindset. And I had the same thing. Right? We'll spend $500 a month on a stupid car payment or cell phone bill or iPhone, right? But when it's time to invest in ourselves, something that actually help us out, we're like, I don't want to pay all that money. I'm like, okay, fine, and you work through that. Because my mentor helped me work through that. And I'm like, one stinking trade can help you recoup the cost of this software. And I also shared a little secret tip there. If you want to come up just a $50 more here, you can get the options program I created for this company. And then you can get this program plus the software. And so that is an excellent deal in my opinion. But of course, since I co-created the program, I am incredibly biased. Moving on here. All right, so anyway, let's come through the top option scan here. It does satisfy the blueprint we use. We call it the Market Club Options Blueprint. I won't detail that. That's actually in the program. But what I quickly do is I scan through here, and what I'm looking for is names I recognize, like Oracle. I look at names I recognize, and then I just open up all the charts and I sift through the charts, picking which ones I like better, which ones I will make potential trades on. So I'm going to pause this really quick because you don't need to see me just click buttons and open up charts. And then I'll be back looking at the charts and you'll see how I sift through all these charts. And for time's sake, I won't go through my other routine. I detail pretty much my full routine, I believe, in another video where I was showing you how I not only look at the charts, but I also look at is the company actually making money and things like that. So let me pause this and I will be right back. All right, I'm back, and let's look at the big picture here of Oracle. It just triggered a weekly, and this one is a so-so chart. It's kind of volatile, wavy, but I'll keep it here on the list really quick. Well, not really quick. I'll keep it on the list. No, this is a definite no. I won't go through and explain why it's a definite no. I actually walk you through that in the program, like what's my filtering process. It's actually a checklist I go through just because these videos need to be short, so I don't have much time to do a lot of teaching. But again, if you're interested in that, just join the program. It's only, again, most people, if you actually implement the blueprint, you will recoup your investment. Not guaranteed, but if you have trouble, I am there in the members area Monday through Friday using the same blueprint you are. So if you're having trouble, I should be able to help you out. Anyway, Square, I just placed a trade on Square yesterday, actually, on a Market Club Monthly. This one I don't trust. This one burned me last year when it fell on earnings, so I don't trust it, but I'm a sucker and I'm a bias towards PayPal, Square. They were making money. So I'm jumping in it. I'm giving it one more chance and seeing if it will actually work out. I think let's look up earnings really quick. I think people are jumping into it before earnings. So yeah, it looks like earnings is February 5th. So that's a few weeks. And so it looks like people are probably jumping into it before earnings, because if you didn't notice, the volume picked up on that. All right, so let's come back here. So Square, I'm already in that, but it's a higher risk trade. I don't think it'll be profitable, so I didn't risk a whole lot. MO here, let's scale out to a big picture. Nope, that's definite no. AMTD, that chart's taking a while. Johnson & Johnson, they pay decent dividends, but this will always be a no. I'll reveal at least this one, and it's because you look at all the entry and exits. They're the trade triangles, right? They tell us when to get in and get out. We could have made money on this one, but I don't like that it's stagnant right here, and so that is one I would not trade until it broke free from that price area. This one, yeah, Procter & Gamble, looks like it's on its way up, and we missed the monthly here, which is my ideal signal. You look at this back in July of last year. This run up right here is an insane amount of money when you trade options. Those are the type of symbols and trades I try to get in. But if you miss those, you can get in on the weeklies. And so that one just triggered a weekly. So yes, if the option chain and the rest of my filter pass, that will be a potential one I could get into. PEP, yeah, so. This one is stagnant too. It's going sideways for a little bit, so I don't know about that one. What I do is write that down and put a question mark by it. All right. Well, it looks like I'm in a office building, and there's a musician next to me. He's playing a violin, so I don't know if you can hear it, but I'm just gonna roll with it because that's part of the reason why I almost forgot to record this video, because I have to wait till it quiets down because his students and stuff make a lot of noise in the hallway. So I'm just gonna roll with it. I'm not going to let that hold me back. Anyway, AZN here. Yeah, no, this one, no. I just don't like it. I just don't like it. Just don't like the way it looks. UNH, yeah, just popped up on a monthly recently. The weekly has not kicked in yet, but it should. Whoa, what is going on here? So it shows a red weekly, and then the training, I explain why it doesn't show up on the chart yet. But that is definitely a weekly green. It just hasn't showed up on the chart yet. So that one looks fairly okay. Novacure, this is one of the ones my clients follow. So that triggered for a weekly. Blue, yeah, definitely no there. And I'm at my mark here. So waste management. Yes, I've been waiting for this. I was in this last year. I got out on the monthly, and it just triggered another monthly. So yes, I like that stock. It's a very stable stock. It produced, look at the symbols here. Look, in, out. Look at all the money it's produced over the last years. And then so looks like some people just probably took some profit off the table, and now it's reading back up. So that's definitely an asterisk for me. I like that one. I've been in it before, and it treated me well, which causes a bias, and biases cause you to lose money, so you have to be careful. But I like that one. So out of all of them, I like WM the most so far. All right, so that's all I have for you. And so at this point, what I would do is go through a couple other filtering processes. Like I'll look up the stocks, see if they're making money as a company. And then I also look at the option chain, making sure I can actually afford the options. Like Apple's options are pretty expensive. Waste management, I know they're not because I was in that. So I know I can afford those options, and they have fairly decent open interest here. And then after that, I look to see if the market is still up tomorrow and these trades still look good, I go ahead and place a trade. And of course, follow my general risk management formula, which we call the 210 formula, which you will learn in the Success Academy. And on that note, a lot of people have been asking about the Success Academy. I have decided right now I'm in the middle of a 30-day challenge, and I was like, that's why the Success Academy is not open. I want to focus on this challenge. But on the 30th day of this challenge, all right, that's the challenge is done. I will open up the Success Academy on that day. So January 30th, the Success Academy reopens for the first time this year, and I think you will enjoy the new and improved version that we are rolling out. So on that date, ask questions now if you want, but on that date, what I'll do is reveal all the details about the program and provide links in the description section in video 30 of this 30-day challenge. You take care. See you in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye.